The cold wave has gripped parts of northern India especially, and so I want to bring you some of the visuals that have come in. On your screens, let's take a look what our hilly areas are looking like from Uttarakhand, Himachal to the Kashmir Valley. A mesmerizing sight as well, of course, with the snow-clad mountains. Uttarakhand, Himachal, Jammu Kashmir witnessing a fresh spell of snowfall as well. The surface of the Dal Lake, we are told, has frozen. The temperature has dipped to -6 degrees Celsius in Srinagar city. Look at that. The ice sheet on the Dal Lake, and it's going to possibly fully freeze in the weeks to come. Let's go across to Uttarakhand meanwhile. Chamoli and Auli are also covered in a blanket of thick white snow. The Met Department has issued a snowfall alert, but also an advisory and a warning. Hilly areas in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh could be facing heavy snowfall, so be cautious in case you are planning to travel to these areas. In the midst of cold wave and snowfall, of course, that doesn't stop the tourists who landed up at Manali, but there was some trouble waiting for them. At the Atal Tunnel, there's at least been a 12-hour-long traffic snarl. 12 hours with kilometers-long traffic jam. So in case you are planning to head this festive season to the mountain areas, do check what the situation on the ground is and if it is safe to be driving in these areas. Let's then come across to Sadi Delhi. It's not snowing here, but it's definitely very cold. People in Delhi, Chandigarh, state of Punjab, waking up to a chilly morning and a blanket of fog as well, of course, dipped with it, and certain parts of smog as well.
Tuesday morning was another coldest morning in the Srinagar city. Currently, it is the temperature sub-zero -2 in the morning on Tuesday. During the previous night, the temperature declined to -6 degrees here in the Srinagar. For last many days, we are witnessing the freezing of famous Dal Lake here in the Srinagar, and today also the parts of this famous lake had frozen, and this will continue for few coming days, as the Met Department has said that this dry cold wave will continue till Thursday, when another spell of snow will start in the Kashmir Valley. In fact, you can see these cars cannot move in this frozen Dal Lake, and you can see, in fact, this is the position of the Dal Lake. This is the ice layer which gets formed during the night, and in the day it melts. Then only the movement of shikaras gets possible in the Dal Lake.
Snowfall at the Himalayan region has resulted cold wave in the lower part of Punjab and Haryana and Chandigarh as well. You see the mountains right behind me is Shimla, Solan, Kasoli area, where snowfall in last 24 hours somehow lashed Chandigarh with a cold wave and taking down the temperature to 5 to 10 degrees. Also affecting the visibility at some part of Haryana and Punjab. Half of the Punjab is forecasted with yellow alert of the fog, and also Haryana and Chandigarh somehow seeing the effect of this cold wave and rainfall in last 24 hours. Weather Meteorological Department also forecasted for western disturbance for 27th of December. So in coming 7 to 10 days, we'll see more cold wave and effects of this cold wave.